Welcome everyone, and today we are going to talk about multiplying binomials and trinomials and other things with the FOIL method. So let's go on to the video. Now that we know how to simplify polynomials and to add and subtract polynomials, today we're going to learn how to multiply polynomials. I can't speak. So let's try with something easy. And you might be wondering, wait, isn't this supposed to be the FOIL method? Yes, but we'll get into that later. We need to find the basics. So let's try something as simple. A monomial times a constant. So 2x times 3 will be equal to 6x. So like that. And let's use something as easy as a monomial times a monomial. So 2x times 3x will equal to 5. Sorry, it has to be equal to 6x. My bad. 6x squared. Remember, the x is multiplied too. Now let's get into something even harder. I know this is getting way too quick, but that's only because I want to get into the important part later. So 2x times x minus 4. So it's a binomial times a monomial. We can use the distributive property in algebra, which I have the link in the description below. So if you watch that video, you would understand that we have to distribute the 2x into this group. Now, I didn't show any examples with 2x, but let's move on. So 2x times x, from here, we can understand that it's going to be 2x squared. Which, if we take the negative now, then 2x times 4, which is 8x. And this will be the answer. A bit harder one, but you know. Now let's get into something way trickier. A binomial times a binomial. Now, if we use the distributive property, we have to distribute, like, what order do we do it? There's so many things to distribute, because there's two options here and distribute two options here. That's where we use the FOIL method. The FOIL method is this: first, outer, inner, last. So this is an order. Now let me clean this board up and put this up to see what am I talking about. Now it says first, means to multiply first of the two groups. Now the first of the two groups is x. So we have to write and note this down here. X squared. Now outer means the two outer ones. That means we have to use this: x times -2, because these are the outer ones of the entire set. So if you heard a noise, there's a truck or something outside. These are the outer parts. So these together will be -2x. Let me note this down here. We're starting to make a polynomial. Now the inner means these inner parts. So 3 times x equals to 3x. Let me add that one to the list. And then the last, which is 3 times x. 3 times 2, the constants. Let me clean this up. The two constants. So it would be 2 times 3, which is 6. So the answer would be a constant. Now you might be thinking that this can be simplified, can it? Of course it can. Now we have to, there is two common, stuff. Like terms. It's from our simplifying polynomials video. Again, link in the description. So, negative 2x times 3x would be negative 6x. Now negative and then we will get x squared minus 6x plus 6. So this is our answer of our problem here. So this will be the answer. Let's try another one before we officially get out of here and, do some other things. Let's try a problem with a binomial times a trinomial. Yes, we're taking this to the next level. So, as we can see, this will take a lot of work, but let's just do it. Let's do it. Now, remember, FOIL first. So the two first ones, 3x times x equals to 3x squared. Add that one to our answer list. Now, outer means again this, but now this. So, x times negative 4, which is negative 4x. So, minus 4x. Now, we're going to take the inner, means these two. Now, 2y times 3x would be equal to 6xy. See? It's not really hard to think of a simplifying answer. 6xy. Now, again, the inner is done. Now we're going to check the last. So this times this. So, by following these, we can find that, doing these stuff, we can multiply these, get negative 8y, so there will be negative 8y. So with that out of the way, we can see there is one thing. We missed this number. For that, I wouldn't go super into that. Let's just say, just try to work out, because this video is getting way. Understand that by all these we can simplify to 3x squared minus 5xy minus 4x minus 2y squared. I'm now, multiplying the common like terms, and this will be our answer. Yes, the third one was very long, and it's making me tired, but we've done it. So by all these exhausting examples, we can finally find and understand what the FOIL method means and how to use them. So that's all there is to it. You can like, comment, and subscribe, obviously. You can share the video, and as always, that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!